Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs are linked with two SuperSport United players oku-Ime Okon no-Aphiwe Baliti. Yabo uma nikhumbula kahle ke i-contract ya Ime Okon izo-expire ngomhla ka-30 June 2025. Nyalazi ke leli defender leli one of the talented youngest defenders akhona la eSouth Africa. Idlaleli bafana right now linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, and i-Kaizer Chiefs it looks like bazomsayina ngempela umjida. Kuthiwa i-Kaizer Chiefs isisecurile i-signing ya-Aphiwe Baliti. U-Aphiwe Baliti uzohamba ne-Kaizer Chiefs ayodlala kuma-pre-season games azobe le e-Netherlands, yebo. Mwase ubheka i-Kaizer Chiefs i-serious ngempela kule transfer window le. Abadlali aba-interested kubona, abadlali abafuna ukubasayina, abadlali laba bazo-add quality kwi-Kaizer Chiefs because these guys are talented youngsters adlala ngempela abazoyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa uThapelo Maseko is edging closer to a move away from Mamelodi Sundowns. The winger has been left out from the World Cup squad. Yabo mina ngikhumbula kahle Mamelodi Sundowns eyodlala iClub World Cup and isquad isotravela kusasa. Umjida ubengekho kwisquad seMamelodi Sundowns lesi sotravela. Ngizwile ke amahemhem kuthiwa ngenzeka alone out, but ngiyazi alone kuma team ala eSouth Africa bazomlona kwiCyprus. Yabo there's a club edlala le eCyprus emfunayo uThapelo Maseko. Yabo asazi yabo amathima angafika azama ukumthenga uMamelodi Sundowns. I don't think iSundowns izonqaba ngoThapelo Maseko, yabo i-team ifika nemali, but ke iSundowns ngizwe kuthiwa bazomlona out umjida because they don't want to sell him at the moment, yabo, but uzobe engekho kwisquad iSundowns ezohamba siyele eAmerica, yabo. I feel bad for the young boy. I feel bad because I remember when he signed for Mamelodi Sundowns, he was playing under Hugo Broos squad Bafana. He was playing regularly. When you remember the guy, he was playing regularly when he signed from SuperSport United. Yeah, but I think he signed around 20 million, if I'm not mistaken, 20 million rand bemsigned lapha ku-SuperSport. Uyofika kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns. I think i-injury ambulela kakhulu. Yabo ukuthola kwakhe i-injury yona ambulalela i-momentum yakhe nokuhamba kwaRolani Mkwena. Yabo ezinye zezinto lezo ukushintshisana kwe-coaching lapha o-coach babona ukuthi hayi ngesimsebenzise kakhulu lo mjida lo. There's a system phela edlalayo kwi-Sundowns. Ku-Sundowns they don't need abadlali abafast nje abangenayo leyo nto leyo sisi team. Yabo they need abadlali abakwazi ukudlala with the team. They don't need individual players who have individual brilliance, yabo ezosiza team. iSundowns idlala as a team. So enye izinto leyo mina ngokwami engibona ukuthi mhlawumbe uThapelo Maseko iyamshaya kakhulu, yabo, kwi-career yakhe kuSundowns, but ke asazi ukuthi i-career yakhe izoba kanjani umjida. I wish him well. Usamncane, yabo, usamncane kakhulu, and mina I would really love for Orlando Pirates ukuthi izame ukumsayina lo mjida because mase ubheka indlela adlala khona, he plays like umdlali weOrlando Pirates, yabo. Angazi mangiyayenza any sense, but once you check most of Orlando Pirates players they play like uThapelo Maseko. Yabo angafike lapha afithe kwisquad seOrlando Pirates, but ke asazi anything can happen bafethu. Iwindow lizovulwa ngoJuly lize liphele ngoSeptember, yabo, anything can happen. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iJazz leMamelodi Sundowns lilikhiwe, yabo, lilikhiwe ngempela ke iJazz. Angazi amafans eSundowns azothini, but ngokwami leli jersey lihle kakhulu, yabo, lihle kakhulu leli jersey, even though I don't support the Sundowns. But look at this jersey, bro. Look at this jersey. You can see the sun there. You can see the sun. You can see the mountains. You can see the city. I don't know what city it represents, but it represents ukuthi it has that African element to it, yabo. It has that African element, and it is inspired by ama-retro jersey Mamelodi Sundowns, yabo, babona bokhola la aba blue. If you can watch ama-retro jerseys we-Sundowns acisha bekanje, yabo, leli jersey leli lihle. Mwase ubheka ama-jersey Sundowns in the last 10 years and compare them to this jersey, this is a different ngizothini, it's a different outlook kwindlela abajwayele ukwa-design ngakhona ama-jersey. iPuma right now ngokwami iphumile impela, yalikhipha unyawo, yabo, try something new. Ngiyangijabulisa ngempela ukubona into kanje because iSundowns ihlale ithole jersey lifanayo each and every season, but this time around they went in and they designed a new a new creative jersey. This jersey is creative bafethu, yabo, umuntu athe design ube creative. Asazi ke nomiliyona impela, and but ke it was leaked. Many people are liking it, many people are not impressed with this jersey. I don't know, but ngangitshela ama-comments ngokwakho wena uzizwa kanjani le jersey. Mina ngokwami hayi lihle kakhulu bafethu, hayi usungaba nje nomona mungayisupport team, but leli jersey ngokwami lihle, yabo. Kwezinye zeindaba, a veteran defender uWade Jooste is set to leave AmaZulu after the club decided not to renew his contract, which is due to expire at the end of June. But there are many players who will become free agents. AmaZulu FC says United not terminate per se, but renew a contract kaWade Jooste, the former Orlando Pirates player and the former Golden Arrows. Kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa Orlando Pirates have convinced uDeon Hotto to stay in Gauteng for another season despite rejecting a first contract offer and interest from Egypt. Yabo. So iOrlando Pirates sikwazile ukuthi uDeon Hotto bamconvince ukuthi ahlale ama-season amabili kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo. Angahambi kuOrlando Pirates bazamile ukumncenga umtshito because bengeke yenze impela isense ukurelease uPaseka Marco mase uhambisa uyekela futhi uDeon Hotto ahambe. Yabo bengeke yenze sense. But ke Orlando Pirates, they've convinced uDeon Hotto ukuthi ahlale asize lapha kuOrlando Pirates. Asazi ke maybe khona enye left back ezozama ukusayinwa. Asazi, we don't know anything can happen. There are many left backs akhona kwi-league esingazama ukwa approach of Yolo Club from Skukhune, Fawaz Basadin. I really don't like that left back edlalela iRichards Bay. I'm not saying uyabheda umchita, but ke management minibona right asazi. But left back edlalela iRichards Bay is interested in. I don't think he's will add value with Pirates. Yeah, but we need players who will add value, not add color. Yabo, just because we released one player and we need a player that will replace or stay in that yabo also fit kuleyo role abidlayo lo mdlali. No, we don't need abadlali abazofit. We need abadlali abazofika kwe position bahlale. Yabo babe labo badlali abesithembela kubona. Yabo, singathenga umdlali ozohlala ebenchini. We don't need bench players. We need starters. Yabo, we need starters. Abadlali esazohle ukuthi okay, when you sign this player will start at Orlando Pirates. Njobe ngikhulumile ngesquad esizohamba kusasa seMamelodi Sundowns, isona ke lesi squad seMamelodi Sundowns, goalkeeper abathathu, uOnyango Williams, uPeterse. Angazi indaba uJody February engabekwanga lapha because uJody February mukhumbula kahle basathanda kuyi-increase i-contract yakhe. Yabo uyozahambe next season ngoJune 2026. Yabo, but ke umjida akekho la. Asazi kwenze njani, maybe he picked up an injury, you don't really know. Mase siyabheka kuma-defenders, uba uMdawu, uMorena, uModiba, uThabani Lunga, mase kubukekana, mase kubukhoza, mase kubumvala, uCupido, mase kubulibusa. Yabo, I'm really impressed ukuthi uCupido ukwazile ukurecover mukhumbula kahle umjida bene injury. But ke ukhona la iwona ama-defender Mamelodi Sundowns yobe ivimbe ngawo emuva mase siza lapha esiswini. Kube khona uAlende, kube khona uJaden Adams, uZwane, kube khona uMkhulise, kube khona uMayema, kube khona uMokwena, mase kube khona uObas. Asazi ke ngomkhulisi noMayema. But ke seems like uMiguel Cardoso uyabathemba bajida ubabizile ukuthi ahambe nabo bawudlala kwiClub World Cup. Mase sisa kwi-attack kube khona uShalulile, kube khona uRibeiro, kube khona uSales, kube khona Ikram Reyners, kube khona uMatthews, kube khona uMothiba, mase kube khona uLehlago. Yabo yona attack le. Phisa Shalulile, I don't know, maybe Mamelodi Sundowns izozama ukumgcina because last time I heard ngizokuthi umjida uyahamba kwi-Sundowns, but ke yisona lesi squad iSundowns ezogadla ngaso le kwiClub World Cup. Yabo, shuthi umjida uzohamba mase kuphele yona iClub World Cup uphisa Shalulile. You'll never know, asas anything can happen bafethu. Kwezinye zeindaba engangiphathi kahle kuthiwa SABC Sports can confirm ukuthi the former Orlando Pirates defender uPaseka Marco could be heading to Enato Arena as talks with Kaizer Chiefs have progressed to an advanced stage. Kuthiwa ama-talks between uPaseka Marco, ama-agents aPaseka Marco with the Kaizer Chiefs have advanced. Umjida ngenzeka abo umdlali weKaizer Chiefs uma le season entsha izoqala. Angazi ngizizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi, but ke to be honest kuyayenza sense because mase ubheka ama left backs eKaizer Chiefs ayinawo ama left backs right ayi quality. Yabo Paseka Marco, even though he's a Orlando Pirates player, former Orlando Pirates player, yabo I don't think it's a good choice ukuthi join Kaizer Chiefs, but ke on the side of Kaizer Chiefs it makes sense because they don't have players abayi quality kuleya position leya bayaleka kakhulu, so it makes sense. But to get anything can happen, it's up to the player. The player right now doesn't have a choice, doesn't have a team that is approaching him. So Kaizer Chiefs might be a good team to join. Yabo, uMasubheni iminyaka yakhe umjida usezo retire, so imali uyayidinga ngempela i-retirement yabo ayo retire kuyona mhlawumbe iKaizer Chiefs, but bengingajabula retire kwePirates, but ke I hope uzofika adlale kahle.